A good woman isn't interested in your money or your status. What she wants from you is your time, loyalty, love, and commitment.
Don't raise your voice with your spouses, just like you shouldn't be raising your voices with your parents. The problem with us is we scream and yell and swear and hurl abusive words at our spouses, thinking that I can get away with it, not realizing Allah is hearing all of this and you will pay a heavy price for this.
Don't think that your life is going to be made any easy. No matter how powerful you are, no matter who you are, it is going to come for you. Some of us are rotten when it comes to our character. Astaghfirullah. Some of us misbehave. Some of us, the way we speak to others is very rude. We don't make life easy for them. Do you think Allah is going to make life easy for you? Allah says, you know what? Why be jealous of people? Allah says, are they jealous of what we have favored some over the others? You know, we gave virtue out of our own virtue to people. Why should you be jealous of that? We gave it. If you're jealous of what Allah gave someone, you have a problem with Allah. Did you think of that? If you're jealous of what Allah gave someone, you have a problem with Allah, because Allah gave it to them. Allah tells you, you want Jannah, you need visa. Here is the requirement. You will not lie, you will not do shirk, you will not do this. You need to show me your record of salah, you need to show me your record of your mouth, you need to show me record of this, record of that. Then we don't want. We say, no, leave it, never mind. Allahuakbar. Look at man, look at man. And the beauty with Allah, Allah is merciful. He says, no problem. If you don't have requirement, just ask for forgiveness, I will give it to you. Allahuakbar.
Allah is never far away. No matter how dark your situation gets, how desperate it gets, how difficult it gets for you and your loved ones, Allah will in fact, so long as you have reliance in Him, Allah will in fact bring you light from where nobody else could have seen it. And He'll turn things around just in a moment. And that's in the hands of Allah.